I'm going to give you steps on how to become a successful failure in YouTube. So, hello everyone, welcome once again to Amor Vlogs, and this is your friend Lou Amor. I hope everybody is happy and healthy. So without further ado, let's move on with the steps on how to become a successful failure in YouTube. So, number one tip is make a channel. Just make a channel without thinking, without planning the real reason why you want to make a channel. Because everybody is into it, everybody is doing it, or for the sake of just go with the flow mentality. So, go, make a channel, and do not select a striking channel name. So, the number two tip is, if you already have the channel name, upload videos inconsistently. So, what we mean by inconsistently, do not follow a regular schedule. You can upload once a year, twice a year, bi-monthly, once a month, every day, every hour, every week. So, that's it, inconsistently. Not following a regular schedule in uploading videos. Number three tip, do not focus on evergreen content or quality content. So, when we talk about quality content or evergreen, topics that are really of interest to the viewers. The evergreen, those topics that will never die. So, it has something to do with our day-to-day existence, our day-to-day experiences as human beings. So, either has something to do with our emotions, our affiliation, or our problems in life, and so on, and other things. So, that's evergreen content or quality content. So, that's the number three tip. Do not make a quality content. You can make a lousy content if you want. So, that's another tip. Another is, do not edit your videos. After recording, after vlogging, just upload it right away without checking, without listening, without correcting, without editing. So, do not edit your videos. Another tip is, do not make clickable thumbnails and titles. Clickable meaning titles and thumbnails that is not related to your content and is not of interest to the viewers. So, upon seeing the thumbnail and the title, viewers will just scroll it up and down, but never dare to click. So, that's it. Do not make a clickable thumbnail and title. Another thing is, do not make scripts for your content. Just say anything you want, the blah blah blah, the blah blah blah, and so on. Do not make a script. But of course, there are people who can really talk and talk in any topic under the heat of the sun without any script. They can talk or speak spontaneously, extemporaneously. But not all people has the ability, has the talent, the gift of really a good talker. So, if you want to be a successful failure in YouTube, do not make a script for your content. Another tip that I can give is, do not grow your channel organically. Organically meaning the natural way of subscribing to your channel. people will subscribe to your channel because they appreciate, they love the content or the videos in your channel. You can join this sub for sub. What is that? Sub to sub, sub for sub. The hug to hug. Visit my house later, or you can even buy subscribers. It's only here in YouTube I know that there are subscribers for sale. You can buy subscribers, but just make it sure that YouTube won't find you out. So those are the steps that I can give, and surely if you follow the steps I have given, you will surely be a successful failure in YouTube. Bottom line, do the opposite of what I have said, and you will be a successful success in YouTube. So, please allow me to enumerate or summarize the steps that I have given. Number 1, make a channel without planning, without thinking the reason why you want to make a channel, and do not make a striking channel name. And then upload videos inconsistently. Do not focus on evergreen or quality content. Make a lousy content not related to your thumbnail and title. Another thing, do not make clickable thumbnails and titles. Do not grow your channel organically. Do not make scripts for your content. And so, those are the simple, practical steps on how to become a successful failure in YouTube. Bottom line, again, please do the opposite. So, have a good and godly day, everyone. I hope everybody is happy and healthy. And please, if you love the content of this video, the content of this channel, feel free to click the word subscribe and the bell button. And any suggestion, any, say, encouragement, please write it in the comment section below. I would be very happy to read it, to answer it, anything that you can suggest. So, have a good and godly day, everyone. And this is Lou Amor. Please remember, God loves us all. He loves you and me. And stay safe, stay happy. Again, Lou Amor here, who loves you so much. So, bye-bye.